After another successful year of using your Demco SideQuest tanks for applying fertilizer when planting, spraying and side dressing corn now complete, it is time to remove them from the tractor. Unbolt the 4 bolts holding the drop-down channel assembly to the overhead arm, and the 4 bolts under the tank saddle that attaches to the spindle assembly. With a forklift, raise the tank straight up and back it away from the tractor and put it into storage. Notice the alignment pin on the overhead arm and the tapered slides on the spindle assembly. This feature makes putting the tanks back onto the tractor a simple process next spring. With a lift on the overhead arm to relieve pressure on the pin that attaches the arm to our base plate that can be left on the tractor. Remove the overhead arm by lifting it from the saddle that is part of the base plate. With a lift, support the spindle assembly while removing the nuts that hold the spindle assembly to the cast spacer. Slide the spindle hub off the bolts and put into storage. There is no need to remove the cast spacer unless you're also removing the dual wheel. This completes the removal of your SideQuest tanks. Our goal at Demco continues to be providing products that perform for you in the field, but that are also easy to install, remove, and perform maintenance on. SideQuest remains a great way to save yourself a trip across the field by applying fertilizer while planting. For more information on Demco SideQuest, go to www.demco-products.com or call us at 800-543-3626.